Hello and welcome back to a new season of Devlog. This season, we'll be maintaining and improving career logs, a tool to help you keep track of your goals and contributions at work to eventually dominate any performance discussions and get you that raise. So the first bug I tackled was on the login form. If you entered the wrong email or password, a snack would inform you why the login failed, which is good. But then the form would also get locked and you couldn't resubmit until you refresh the page. Embarrassing. And of course, after the fix, the sign in button is no longer disabled after a failed submission. The next task on the to-do list was implementing search functionality for the goals table. As you can see, the search bar wasn't doing nothing. This actually tied into the next bug as well, where the filter count in the page header wasn't actually working. So I worked on both issues simultaneously, and now we have reliable searching on the goals table, not only by the goal title, but also individual key results. Fire! And you can see that the header filter count is now working perfectly. Please don't hold these bugs against me. I was just moving fast, you know? I'm a decent developer, I swear. Now for a quality of life improvement, I realized that more often than not, when I go to check into a goal and update my progress, my brain gets wiped. I immediately forget what my current progress was after I change the value. So to improve the user experience, I added the current progress metric in parentheses to the dialog. No more forgetting. And finally, one of my beta users suggested a feature. He told me that he likes to use the same layout when filling out his logs, and he told me that a template feature would make it easier to reuse the same layout across different logs. I thought this was a very good idea that would improve the quality of life for users who are copy-pasting the same things across their notes. So lo and behold, in the user preferences page, there is now a log template section which lets you design reusable layouts for your daily logs. You can go ahead and click create template, give it a title, and use the same editor as the log page to design your layout. You can always edit your template, so don't worry about perfecting it on the first go. Click create, a snack confirms that your template was created, and now you can use it. Head over to your logs and you will notice a new toolbar item called Apply Template. Poggers. Clicking this will show you a dialog and let you choose from your templates. Clicking one will override the log's content with the template. But don't worry, you can always click undo or Ctrl Z if you overwrote some important notes. And there you have it. Log templates is a new intuitive feature added to career logs to improve quality of life. That's it for this sprint review. Thank you so much for watching. The link to career logs is in the description. Feel free to create an account and start tracking your career today. I gotta figure out how to not sound like an infomercial when I say that. Anyways, I'll see you in the next sprint review. Bye bye.